I'm Hector Espinal, global artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get some male grooming with my model here, Karan. Tell me about your male grooming situation while on set.
On set, I usually use a lot of foundation, a little bit of powder, not too much, and just a splash of pizza grease also. It really helps. You should try it sometime.
That's everything.
Yeah, pizza grease. Dominoes also, yeah.
Make sure it's pepperoni. Well, as a model, I'm assuming they do put a lot of things in you, so like powders, foundations, and concealers. For the fellas out there that don't wear anything or just coming out of the gym, I'm gonna be showing you some tips and tricks on how to get the perfect male grooming in a very effortless and easy way. For the fellas out there that are not into modeling and just want to look fresh and young and youthful,
Gotta stay fresh.
matchsticks are your best bet. So this is a cream to powder formula, and it comes in 20 shades. Snappable, which is awesome. The magnetic thing is so great, especially like if you're on the run or you don't want people to know that you have, some makeup in your bag. I'm gonna go ahead with cocoa. So just very easy, like I mentioned before. Take it with your fingers, and all you have to do is go from the inner part of the eye, the one area where you look and appear too tired. First thing I'm going to do is apply my Pro Filter foundation, taking a small dose on my fingers, starting from the center of the face and working my way outward. You really want to start off with your fingers. It's the best tool to make anything look super natural. So I'm going to start off with shade 440, my Pro Filter foundation. Make sure you shake our foundation. So the whole purpose here is that you shear out the foundation as much as possible, creating like a light tint. And this is just to really make the skin look nice and clean, hide any minor imperfections. So most importantly, you really want to go around the nose area. This is the one area that really gets red. Center of the forehead. Oftentimes we get some nice little lines here, so you want to smooth those out. For extra coverage, what I love doing is taking one pump, really saturating my ring finger, and just slightly dabbing where I want that coverage.
It feels like I have nothing on.
I think that's a great point. I think that's really the main focus here. You really don't want to go ahead and apply too much to the point that it's noticeable. The main purpose when male grooming is to look like second skin. So as I mentioned before, oftentimes you will have razor bumps, especially around the neck area. Just use one pump directly onto your damp sponge and just press it into the skin. Don't worry, it's not gonna look or feel heavy. This is just to really eliminate all that redness to ensure that your skin doesn't look irritated. All right, look at yourself. Tell me what you think.
Oh, this is great.
So see, it should look and feel very natural. Like I don't want you to feel like you have too much going on. It's just a better version of yourself.
And you see them cheekbones? Oh my God. Oh my God.
If you don't have that much time and you're just extremely oily, or if you're just coming out of the gym and you just wanna like blot it out, our blotting sheets are the bomb. Take a good portion, take your index finger, and just roll it. Easy way to just target the shine is your T-zone. That would be center of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, around the nose area, upper lip, and then your chin. If you have some shine out here, it's good. You're gonna look nice and fresh, young, but look,
It feels great.
How much shine you already had? You're messy.
Uh-huh.
Another great alternative, I love using my Invisamat, especially just blot away and just get ready to go out. The magnetizing brush sold separately. What I love about this brush, it's just so easy to use. I don't feel like I'm applying too much. So just slowly swirl it around your powder and just slightly brush it all on the T-zone. I want you to try it.
Yeah, for sure.
So open it up and apply yourself. Tell me if that's too much for you.
Rub my nose.
Yep, like your nose. Anywhere that you feel like you look shiny, right before, like if you go to a casting or you're about to take some pictures.
Oh, this is real soft. Like I might just do this just to do it, guys. Just how I feel.
That works. All right, fellas, I hope you guys enjoy our male grooming session here with Karan. Looking forward to seeing all your nice fellas out there looking sharp. If you guys want to learn more about male grooming, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fenty Beauty, and follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
Till next time.